Imagine for a moment that you have done hard work and achieved your dream, but someone comes out and say, hey, you're lucky. How do you feel? Imagine for a moment that you have achieved your dream, you have bought a new car and have accumulated that amount of money by working hard, years of savings, and you have taken some loans as well. You have had to do a lot of paperwork and everything, and somebody comes up and says that you're lucky. How do you feel? Isn't that bad? Yes, it feels bad because there is no such thing called luck. I mean, there are people who are a strong believer in luck, but it is my personal opinion and I don't want anybody to change their own opinion because of my opinion. It's my perspective. I was watching an interview of Sachin Tendulkar. Somebody asked him that, how do you rate your success? I mean, don't you feel that you're lucky? You know what Sachin Tendulkar replied? He said that if someone says that I'm lucky that I have achieved so many records, I have been able to hit 100 centuries and I am the highest run getter in the world, it is a sophisticated way of insulting someone. The irony is that people look at the fruits, people look at the leaves of the tree, but people do not look at how deep the tree is rooted inside the ground, how much time it has taken, how much time and pain it has taken to grow those fruits for other people. The irony is that people just enjoy the fruit, they look at the fruit, they do not know that behind the scene work, the practice, the determination, the grit, the hard work which was done by that person, that individual, to come to that situation or to achieve something. So when somebody said that you're lucky, I think it is a sophisticated way of insulting someone. Rather than saying lucky, just congratulate someone and say, I would like to know what you have done and I would also like to try to be like you. Try to learn from them rather than insulting them by saying lucky. In my dictionary, there is no words called luck. I say that this 4-letter word luck, replace it with another 4-letter word work, W-O-R-K. If you work in spite of waiting for luck, you will achieve and you will feel as if you are lucky. But that's not the case. It is something that is a result of your hard work, your consistency, your determination, your progress that has made it possible for you to achieve something, whatever you dreamed in the past. So I hope you would not at least go ahead and compliment someone saying that you're lucky. If you have to say someone that you're lucky, then he might have won the lottery. He did not do a great work or a hard work to achieve something. And I don't mind you saying that you are lucky if someone has won the lottery. But in my opinion, even if somebody has won the lottery, he has taken the pain to buy the ticket. He has been a front runner. He has been a person who bought the ticket, but other people kept thinking that they will buy the ticket. There also he has worked hard to do something. He became only lucky because he worked, and without work you cannot even be lucky. I hope you were able to draw some inspiration message from what I'm trying to convey here. In case if you have any feedback or any questions, you may want to drop in the comment section. I would be welcoming. I would love to hear from them. This is your friend Tauseef Hasan signing off until we meet again.